Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Create an Adsense account and sign in with your Google account, then choose your primary site in account settings. Confirm your WordPress site follows Adsense program policies, has at least 6 to 10 quality posts, clear navigation, and original content. Ensure you have WordPress admin access and the ability to edit header, PHP functions, PHP or install plugins like SiteKit. Prepare a clear privacy policy and contact page, and use a clean theme for responsive layout, so ads display correctly on mobile and desktop. Sign in to Adsense, copy the verification code or file Adsense provides, and return to your WordPress dashboard. Verify ownership by adding the Adsense HTML verification meta tag to your theme header or via a header injection plugin, or alternatively add a DNS-TXT record through your domain registrar if you prefer DNS verification. You can also upload the provided verification file to the site root using FTP. For a simpler process, install and activate Google's SiteKit plugin once ownership is verified. Copy the ad code snippet from Adsense and add it to your WordPress site using a widgets area, your theme header, or a plugin that injects script into the page head. Consider enabling auto ads in your Adsense account so Google can place ads automatically and optimize placement. You can still add manual ad units for precise control. Use SiteKit to manage placements and view metrics. After the code is live, request a site review in Adsense and wait for approval, which commonly takes a few days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.